Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, we definitely got a little bit of a turn up. We got it engulfing up on the daily. We know one thing for sure is that this wave from here to here is over. Now we can't rule out the possibility of this move up being a pullback to this move down, and then it going to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, and then continuing the downtrend. Definitely is possible. The only reason why I think that may not be the correct analysis is because I use the US dollar index as my main analysis for all the dollar pairs. And I think there's a good chance that the dollar index could spend the next several weeks in an uptrend. If the dollar index spends the next several weeks in an uptrend, then this potentially is also going to make a decent move to the upside, maybe end up looking something like this. So we'll see what happens. We are definitely looking for logs right now. While we're looking for logs, hopefully we can learn whether it's a pullback to this last wave down or whether it's actually a real reversal. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if this right here really is the bottom of some kind of a pattern, then it will make, higher highs, higher lows. It will definitely make pullbacks, but it will not be overlapping. It will be, for the most part, higher highs, higher lows. If this move up right here really is a pullback to the last 5 waves down, then it's going to end up turning into a very overlapping pattern, probably end up doing something like this, maybe going to like the 50 to 61% Fibonacci retracement and then breaking to the downside. So there's a big difference between a corrective pattern and an impulsive pattern. And if it maintains impulsive movement, then it probably is going to go up and take out this high. If it starts making very overlapping patterns, then it will probably go to one of these three Fibonacci levels and then turn back down at one of those Fib levels. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.